In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a solar light that I got here, and I have had this out and checked it out, looked over it, and I put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. So let me go ahead and unbox it and show y'all exactly what you're going to get when you get one of these in the mail. Number one, it's a box within a box. So I got a box, and this was a box. So I did cut it open and look at it. So let me go ahead and open it up here. There's the actual light itself. I will go over that here in a minute. Let's just dump it all out here. So a little kind of like thank you card. Here's a mounting hardware. So what you're going to do, I'll show you how this all mounts up here in a minute. And check this out. You get a remote control with this one. You open it up, you pull that out, and it opens up the battery. And then it goes through several little settings here. And this is the set of instructions just to kind of go over with right here. Get out of the package here, and that way it's a little easier to talk about. It has a on and off switch right there. You can see how easily that works. It has up to 144 LED lights in it, super bright LED lights. And this thing will go up to 15,000, between 10 and 15,000 luminas is what they're saying it is. And it's a 6-volt, 3-watt charger on the top of it. So it's going to absorb light all day, and a full charge, which is a 2400 milliamp battery, and a full charge is usually between 6 and 8 hours, which is pretty much the whole day of charging. And then it's going to be good to go all night long. It has up to 3 modes. It's got an always on mode. It has a motion detector to just always on, and it's a very simple install. You can see how you install it there. You basically just install this and then screw it onto there, and you're good to go. So yeah, there it is. There's the actual light itself. Let me go ahead and install this on the side of the house, and then let's see how this thing looks. So let's do that. There it is, everybody. I just installed it up here. Super simple to install. Basically, you put that little bracket on right there, screw that in, put your arm right here, screw that in from the top, and then run a screw through there to the other side, and it has a nut capture on it, so it can all be done with a Phillips head screwdriver, except for that part you're going to have to do with a drill. And you can see I just screwed it directly into the siding. It's going to catch sunlight all day long right here, and then tonight we will have light, and it has a motion sensor right there. So yeah, let's go over and click over to the night and see what it looks like now and see how bright this thing is. So let's do that now. Woo! All right, here it is. It's nighttime out here. I got the remote right here. I'm going to show y'all real quick on how bright this thing is. It's currently off. Let's turn it on. There it is. Look at how bright this thing is, and it's a motion light. So there's 3 modes. There's 1, 2, 3 right here. There's 1, I mean that's 2. There's 3, and that's 1. I'm going to keep it on 1 because I want it as bright as possible. Let's see if the motion thing works. I'm going to back up, and then I'm going to give it time to reset, and then I'm going to walk up and see if it comes on. I'm walking right up under it. I'm probably about, there it is. It looks like I'm about 20 feet maybe, and it popped on. So there it is, everybody. That's the LED outdoor light, motion sensor, 3 modes with remote. See you guys in the next video. Woo!